And let's talk about the human agency. So, okay, now we level up human agency. This is Bandura saying na hindi tayo robot, hindi tayo puppet, hindi tayo fully controlled ng ating environment. Tayo ay agent, meaning you act on the world. So pag sinabing agent, letter A, act on the world. First, ito ay intentional. So, we just don't drift through life. Kumbaga, meron tayong mga intention, meron tayong goal. So, ang human agency, pag sinabi mong, I will study tonight, I will apply for that job, I will change this habit, whether you execute it or not, that's another story. Pero nandun yung intention mo if we talk about your human agency. So may intention ka at ang intention mo is towards a certain goal. You move toward future outcomes. You're not just reacting to the eto ang present moment. You imagine, you plan, you forecast, and that's future oriented cognition. And so, the third one is that you regulate yourself. So una, meron akong intention, nag-set ako ng goal, and I have to regulate myself. Naku, ito na yung medyo masakit. Why? Because you have to monitor yourself. You have to evaluate your behavior. Example, grabe, 3 hours na ako sa Netflix. Focus ka na. That's self-regulation. Yung pipigilin mo yung excitement mo, didisiplinahin mo ang sarili mo. And of course, while you're doing that, you are going to engage in self-reflective activity. You think about your own thinking. May tawag dyan. When you think about your own thinking, we call this metacognition. Bakit kaya ako nag-react ng ganon? Bakit ba lagi na lang akong nape-pressure? That reflective ability allows us to grow. Technically speaking, what is human agency? It involves forethought, self-reactiveness, and self-reflectiveness in behavioral execution. So remember, environment influences you, yes, but you are not passive. You, as a human agent, are intentional, you are future oriented, and you regulate yourself and you reflect. That means you are not trapped. You are participating in your own development. And this is what we call human agency. Intentional, goal directed, self regulating, and self reflective. Apat ang features ng agency. So let's formalize this one. These are not random traits. These are cognitive powers. First, intentionality. This is your capacity to form plans. So that's what we mean by intentionality. Hindi ka basta gumagalaw, na basta lang makagalaw, no? You decide, I will review tonight. I will stop this habit. I will apply for that scholarship. Intentionality is commitment to a course of action. Second, forethought. Forethought is your ability to think about the F, future. So when we talk about this concept, you imagine consequences before they happen. So, gusto ko mag-aral kasi 'pag hindi ako nag-aral, naku, malamang ito ang mangyayari, babagsak ako. Kailangan kong mag-invest ngayon, intentionality. 'Pag nag-invest ako ng effort ngayon, may future reward, forethought. Forethought gives direction to behavior. So, your forethought delays your gratification, no? Na para bang, "Sandali, ito ang mangyayari sa future, so dapat mag-prepare ako." And so, the third one is self-reactiveness. Ito na yung execution. You monitor yourself, you regulate, you push yourself to act. So, una, nag-commit ka. Ikalawa, inisip mo ang mangyayari sa future. Tapos, ikatlo, you are now engaging in self-reactiveness. You monitor yourself, you regulate, you push yourself to act. So ito yung halimbawa nag-ring yung alarm, Intentionality, naging ang alarm. Magja-jogging ako. Bakit? Sa future, para healthy ako. Tapos, self-reactive, gumalaw ka talaga, bumangon ka talaga. Yun ang pinakamahirap, no? Intentionality and forethought, idea yan eh. Pero yung self-reactiveness, gumalaw ka na. Difficult part. And the fourth one is what we call as self-reflectiveness. So sa self-reflectiveness, ang tinatanong natin is, effective ba itong strategy ko? So pinag-iisipan mo yung ginagawa mo na iniisip mo regarding the future na gusto mong gawin. So, tinatanong mo sarili mo, tama kaya ito? So, bakit kaya nagpo-procrastinate ako kapag nape-pressure ako? And this is where growth happens when you self-reflect. So, technically speaking, agency operates through intentionality, forethought, self-regulatory capability, and self-reflective evaluation of yung functioning mo. So, again, intentionality, I decide. Forethought, I imagine the future. Self-reactiveness, I execute. And self-reflectiveness, I evaluate. And that is not passive living. That's active psychological participation, and that's agency. So let's go to question 10. Human agency means people are what? Is it A, people are passive? Is it B, people are controlled entirely by environment? Or letter C, people are active decision makers? Or letter D, people are driven only by instinct? The best answer is maniwala ka na tayo talaga ang active decision makers. So letter C is the best answer. And next question, forethought refers to what? It refers to acting without thinking, or is it planning future actions? Emotional reaction, or is it avoidance behavior? So the best answer here is, of course, forethought, planning future actions. And self-reflectiveness allows individuals to what? A, ignore the feedback from others or from the consequences of what you have done. Or B, evaluate their thoughts. Or letter C, avoid responsibility. Or letter D, act impulsively. When you reflect, best answer is B, you evaluate your thoughts. So remember that we are active human beings and we are experiencing different things in our lives. But whatever happens, we always remember the triadic model, the person, environment, behavior. And napakahalaga na isipin mo na tayo ay in charge because we have the human agency.